Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ClickUp Cloud Task Management features, full guide step by step clearly. To verify ClickUp's Cloud Task Management features, start by accessing the ClickUp website. Log into your ClickUp account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Navigate to the sidebar on the left to access the various features offered. Click on the Tasks option to explore task management capabilities. Observe how to create a new task by selecting the plus task button. Fill in the task title and description fields to provide crucial details. Assign the task to a team member by using the Assignee section. Set a due date and time to help prioritize the task accordingly. Explore the option to add subtasks for more detailed breakdowns of the work. Integrate tags for better organization and searchability of tasks. Utilize the priority levels to emphasize the importance of specific tasks. Check out the comments section to engage with team members on task-related discussions. Explore the attachments feature to link files or documents relevant to the task. Adjust the task status to track its progress from to-do to in progress or completed. Utilize the view settings to switch between list, board, or calendar views for better task management. Examine the automation options available for streamlining repetitive processes. Review the time tracking feature to monitor the time spent on each task. Explore the reporting options to gain insights into task performance and productivity. Investigate how integrations with other tools can enhance your task management experience. Check the mobile app to ensure seamless access to ClickUp on the go. Finally, revisit your settings to customize notifications and personal preferences. Ensure that all features are working as intended to fully leverage ClickUp for your task management needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.